Welcome to ClaimsForce. Here is how you edit your dashboard. There are actually a couple of different ways that you can do this. And the dashboard is simply found by clicking on the logo in the top left corner of the page. So if I'm in my emails, for example, and I click on the logo in the top left, it takes me to the dashboard. And if you log out and log back in, the first thing you'll see when you log in should be this dashboard. The dashboard is designed to show you whatever information you would like to see at a glance. You know, it's the first thing you want to see when you log in the morning, whether it's a job board or a production board, or you want to see all your meetings coming up, you want to see your calendar, your tasks, or maybe you want to have your emails popping up here. Any of those things, or any reports for that matter, you can add to your dashboard and you can rearrange. The dashboard is specific to each individual user, and I will show you how to access it. But first, while you're in here, just so you're aware, you can actually mix and match. You can drag and relocate the items of your dashboard. You can add different things to it. So if I wanted to add my inbox, for example, I'd hit add, and you can see my emails start to pop up here on the left-hand side. So you can also create multiple tabs by clicking this edit dashboard button, and you can create multiple tabs here by just typing and entering and hit save. And then it's almost like on a desktop, you'll have multiple tabs pop up here, and you can toggle between different views that show different reports or show different dashboards. The other way that you can edit this is actually to come into actually, first let me show you how to add a report. So if you want to add a specific report, you'll click that add button, and you come over to report, and you'll hit the report button, and then you'll hit this little drop down. This is options. And once I hit options, now I can select the report. If I don't know the name of the reports that I have, I can come in here and hit this up arrow, and I can see all of my reports that I've made. So let's just say if I want to see accounting, and I hit save. Okay, now the report that I generated previously will pop up here. You can also access it via preferences. So if you hit this triple bar, you'll see the preferences button. You click on that. And there's a lot of different things you can do in preferences. You can change your date formatting, the language. You come down here, you can change your email signature. So this is where you would update your email signature. You can add default reminders. So if your default reminder, because typically when you set tasks and you set reminders, you can either have it be an email or a pop-up, or if you have it configured, you can do text message reminders. The default reminder here is just going to obviously make it so you don't have to select those types of reminders every time. So let's say I want a on-time reminder and a 15-minute before reminder all the time. So you would do that. You've got a couple different options here. Email reply to all. Auto follow created records, which means you're automatically be attached to that record you made, even if you assigned it to a different user. Your user interface, this is how you would actually change your theme. So right here you can see I have it set to classic violet. If I want, I can go to let's say vertical espo, okay, and I hit save. Now I'll show you that in a minute. Well, actually it's gonna redo it for me. So now I have the vertical. So if vertical suits you better, you can do that, and you have about 4 different colors: blue, light blue, red, and purple that you can add. And that's just right here in the theme. And then you can edit your dashboard here. And now if you want certain things to be larger, like if you want your inbox, for example, if you want to see like more emails at a time, simply elongate it, right? And you can make it take up the whole section if you wanted to. Well, you would actually configure that in the front, but so yeah, so that is what you do. You can mix and match. You can move stuff over to this side. And then you've got email notifications there at the bottom. And I hit save. Now I'm going to go back to my main frame, my main dashboard. Okay, so if I wanted this to just be in the middle, see, I could do that as well. I've got the show more button to obviously show you more information. But that is how you adjust preferences.